What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, we're doing another Threadbeast review. You guys keep using that link in the description and get $50 off your first box, which in turn helps me get a box sent to me. I appreciate anybody who's using that link. Okay, so really quick, here are the winners for the last Threadbeast video. Now, I'm going to do the same thing again. Anything at the end of this video, if there's something here that I don't want, I'm going to give away at the end. But because people aren't hitting me on Instagram to claim their prizes, I'm going to do differently after this video. So after this video is dropped and you've seen it and you want something from it, all you got to do is follow me on Instagram, and the first people who hit me up are going to get the items. Basically a first come first serve, because I still have a bunch of stuff that honestly I don't want and I just want to get rid of. So I really would rather give that to you guys and not just keep it here stored. Really free. I'll just send it out to you. I'll cover shipping and all that. Just all you gotta do is follow them on Instagram, hit me up first on what item you want, and then I will send that out to you. Yeah, let's not waste any more time. Let's crack into this box. If you guys enjoy these Threadbeast videos, like I said, as long as I keep getting these boxes from you guys using the link below, I'll just keep making them. At the end of this video, of course, I will try on the stuff at the end, so you can see kind of what it looks like on this beautiful 5'7", or actually this beautiful 7'4", 360 yoked body. But yeah, let's get into it. Off rip. I can see a hat. You guys know we do the hats first. Well, we usually do the hats first. Wesk. This is I don't want to. We are something supply company. But there's this West little fitted right here with the, or snapback. I'm sorry. It's got the green brim right there. You can see. Got the tag. It's a navy blue with like orange colorway. Not bad. I don't have this color for sure. Maybe I'll wear it, maybe I won't. Got the little West white there on the back. Let's see if there's a price on here. There's no price, which probably means it's like worth $1 million, probably. We have the superlative conspiracy. That's what I said from the beginning. Yeah, starting off with that hat, not too bad. Now, judging by the looks of this thing's pretty packed. So, I don't know. Let's just go one by one, of course. We got this shirt right here. I already can see that it's a Diamond Supply shirt. Let's check that out. Diamond across the front spinal right there, across the sternum. What font is that? Is that Old English? Diamond Supply? So there's that Diamond Supply shirt. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this. It kind of looks like you know those shirts with like the skull, like the skeleton, like you put it right here and it's like the spine or whatever. That's what it looks like. But there's a Diamond Supply shirt that is a large. Again, I'm gonna try this stuff on at the end. Next shirt we have is Familia Forever. La Familia shirt. This white tee right here. I don't know what that is really. I know there's a rose and it's like some symbiotic type of poem on here. That's not Helvetica. I can't really read that, but it's a large, of course. So there's that tee right there. We're gonna try it on. Don't worry. Ooh. Honestly, decide for yourself whether these boxes are worth it or not, of course. But like honestly, everything Pink Dolphin I have gotten so far has been like kind of sick. Like this Pink Dolphin Wave Digital like hoodie right here. This thing is fire. Like. I honestly don't even try to cop this. Like I'm probably just gonna keep that. But yo, this is fire. I don't know, maybe I won't keep it, but I think it's pretty sick. Pink Dolphin. I don't think I've got a Pink Dolphin L this whole like series. So there's that Pink Dolphin right there. And last but not least is this Smart Denim Taylor Vintage. Now I don't know if they jacked or just kind of used the old Mark Echo scissor logo. I don't know if you can see it right there. Can you see the scissors? But these Smart Denim, what is Smart Denim? Connecticut Originals Canaan Slim Fit Stretch. It's like, it's a weird texture or a weird like fabric. It's like, it's stretchy fabric and it kind of looks like jeans or denim, but they're like kind of look like dress pants too. Like, I can't really explain it. They're made of pure cotton, eco-friendly, mild spandex. Yeah, I could tell, like they're really stretchy. So this is a waist size 32 and it's 32 by 32, so 32 long, 32 waist. So if you like those, there's that by Taylor Vintage. It's also got like this weird kind of like inside cuff. It's kind of weird, or not really weird, but it's just like really grainy and like a gradient, not gradient, but just like a spotty texture. Anyways, That was it inside this box. I was hoping to get some, like, I don't know, some like a snake shoes or like something crazy in there, but we got that. We're gonna go try that on right now.
I feel like I'm gone in my head, yeah. Way too many thoughts in my head, yeah. Look, I spent too many nights chugging with a flat up on this pedal bike. Pedals tend to fall when I'm peeling back the layers of my mind, like. But I ain't really got the time to be moved now. Spent too many nights just to lose now. Sweated out the levels of my palms, so confused now. Hey, but I ain't tripping, had to get it. No, I'm on, but I had to metamorph to evolve. But I'm back at it, feeling emotions, I'm bad at it. Take a stab at it, feeling nothing like crack addicts. What I'm on, and I've been feeling empty up inside, but I'm supposed to be the one to forget it and provide, like. Feeling empty, I've been feeling weak every day, like. In my headspace, brain is saying everything is fine, like. Feeling empty, I've been feeling weak every day, like. In my headspace, brain is saying everything is fine, like. Feeling empty, I've been feeling weak every day, like. Look, in my headspace, brain is saying everything is fine, like.
So you just saw me try on all those clothes. If there's anything that you want, please drop that down in the comments and hit me up on Instagram. The first people that hit me up on there with the item that they want and is following me on there is gonna get that item. It's first come, first serve, because people haven't been hitting me up, but please continue to use that link below if you want $50 inside your first box off of Threadbeast. Please let me know if you think these boxes are worth it or not, what your experience has been like. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the channel. Remember to flip that trash into cash, and as always, I will see you
like
on the next one.
Way too many thoughts in my head, yeah.